Dear Czech colleagues, this is Barbara Lison speaking to you, the IFLA president. I'm in my library in Bremen in Germany. I thank the Czech Library Association for giving me the opportunity to send you my pre-recorded message to your annual conference in beautiful Ostrava. Unfortunately, I'm not able to be with you today in person. We are all experiencing challenging, even troubling, disquieting times right now, witnessing the Russian invasion into the Ukraine and the horrors of the warfare in that country. I'm horrified by the suffering of the Ukrainian people and the images of the destruction of cities, villages, and especially cultural and religious monuments. Also for IFLA, our federation, the past months have not been easy ones at all. As a result, many of you have expressed a sense of uncertainty and a desire for more information. I acknowledge this and agree that those who have put so much of themselves into IFLA only deserve to receive accurate and timely information about our federation. I'm working with my colleagues in the governing board to provide this effectively without making the process of healing in future more difficult. The open positions of President-elect and Treasurer had to be filled temporarily, and 2 governing board members were thankfully willing to take over these responsibilities. Ntabisenko Tsokwane from South Africa is now temporary president-elect, and Kirsten Bølt from Denmark serves as temporary treasurer. The call for extraordinary elections for our new president-elect and new treasurer was launched already some weeks ago. According to the timeline, the result of these elections will be out at the beginning of our Congress in July. Thus, we can celebrate the successful candidates in Dublin. I'm looking forward to working with the new president-elect and the new treasurer for the remainder of my term until August 2023, and for a good range of candidates. I'm hoping for this as well, of course. In short, I assure you that we are working towards rebuilding trust in the management of our federation, and more information will be shared with you when the situation is developing. I do believe that we are turning a corner and that we should not forget our focus on what matters most: the professional activities within IFLA and the future of libraries and for the library's users. Therefore, there's really much to look forward. I hope that you have the same positive expectations and feel the same excitement as me about our upcoming World Library and Information Congress, our first in-person meeting since 3 years. We will have much to talk about and much to share. The registration numbers are very positive, and the professional and regional units and the advisory committees have created a very interesting and highly relevant program that will take our profession forward into the future. I look forward to working with you all and to build a sustainable future for our communities, for our profession, and for our federation. Now I wish you a great conference in Ostrava, many good meetings and interesting new insights for your work. All the best. Thank you.